Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Jessa Maitan, 29 years old. I have married. I have 2 children, one 3 years old and one 9 years old. I'm married.
What is your religion?
I am born again in religion.
And what is your educational attainment?
I am a college level. I took up HRM.
Are you next abroad?
No, ma'am.
So do you have experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
I have 2 years experience with elderly couples with their niece and her 2 children,
How old the kids?
5 and 8 months.
Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do cooking, marketing, and taking care of the kids.
Okay, and you go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to give my children a better future.
Who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband and my mom.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer need me, ma'am.
Okay, will you promise not to go home in case of emergency?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Good day, ma'am. I promise you to taking care of your kids and do my household chores and anyone you want me to do in your house, ma'am. Thank you and good day.
Okay, thank you very much, HL2183.